Have you been struggling with old anger and resentment and hurt and blame and shame that is dragging you down and you start to feel like a spiritual failure? You're failing at life. My name is Jennifer Hadley, and I've been teaching true forgiveness for 25 years. I've learned a lot about how we can let go of the past with a real forgiveness that actually works. So that's why I'm inviting you to this free online event where we are together going to discover two tools that really work to help you transform that habit of going over the past in a painful way. Over the course of this 1 hour together, you will experience real results that you can continue to practice the rest of your life. Doesn't that sound great? I hope to see you there. We're going to do some powerful work together.